In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated images with the amazing morph effect in PowerPoint. Whether you're giving a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, you can really bring your slides to life using this fantastic feature in PowerPoint. It makes your images appear as if they're transforming smoothly from one state to another, and is a very engaging way to grab attention. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem obvious, but it's an important first step. Make sure you're using a version of PowerPoint that supports the morph transition. It typically comes in the more recent editions of Office 365 and PowerPoint 2019 or later. Once you have PowerPoint open, head over to your presentation. Navigate to the slide where you want to add this cool effect. This could be any slide with images that you think could use a bit of animation magic to make your points stand out more. Next, click on the image that you want to animate. You should select it by left clicking so it's highlighted with a border around it. Now you're ready to add some action to your picture. You'll then want to head on over to the animation tab that you'll find in the top menu ribbon. This is your gateway to all kinds of animation effects. Give it a click to reveal more options. In the animation tab you'll find an animation drop down. You should click on this to open a list of available animations. This is where interactions get exciting, as you'll see a wide range of options to play around with. From the drop down, you can choose your desired animation effect. These effects range from fades to floats and more. Simply select the one that you feel best fits your presentation style, or that will have the most impact for your audience. Once you've selected your animation, it's time to move on to the transition tab, located just to the right of the animation tab. Here, you'll decide how you want your slide to transition in and out. You'll notice a whole new set of effects that can add excitement to the shift between your slides. Under the Transition tab, look for the Morph transition. Click on it to apply this remarkable effect to your slide. Morph allows images to seamlessly transition and adjust in size and shape, which can be especially useful when comparing different datasets or illustrating changes over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've added a morph animation effect to your images in PowerPoint. This addition can keep your audience engaged and enliven your presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to experiment with various images and transitions to find your perfect style. Thanks for watching and happy animating.